Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox error code 267. So what does error code 267 mean? Is that it simply means you were kicked from the game due to issues like being AFK, using an exploit, internet problems, or account restrictions. What you want to do is firstly check the Roblox server status by going to status.roblox.com. And if everything is operational, it is not their fault and it is yours. So simply go ahead and check your internet connection as well. You might need to restart your router, use a wired connection, or run a speed test to ensure a stable internet connection. If that is not the case, you might need to simply restart your Roblox and your device and close the Roblox completely and launch it again. You might also have account restrictions, so you want to simply go ahead and check for that. If that is not the case, make sure that you're not using exploits or mods. That way you don't get any problems. If that is not the case, you might need to simply clear Roblox cache. And in order to do that, simply go ahead and enter percentage local app data percentage / Roblox / logs, which will go ahead and give you some folders that you need to delete. Then make sure that you have allowed Roblox through the firewall, and if none of it works, you might need to reinstall your Roblox. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.